Okay, so it did pop up here, it just went away. But yes, it did generate the content map. You'll see blog posts right here generated. If I go ahead and it should be underneath content map, there it is. Okay, so now it's underneath content maps. And if we go ahead and click on view, you'll see it generated 100 different blog posts, um, essentially topics. So there's some DIY plumbing repair guide, why choose our plumbing services, exploring the latest tools in plumbing. So all these different topics here. And what it's also done is created these subcategories where you can see plumbing tools and equipment, plumbing laws and regulations, industry trends. So these can essentially be your WordPress categories. You can also just use these to create tags, or just kind of use them to map out, kind of the site structure of your blog. So now that we have our content plan, we have 100 blog posts here, and we want to generate one of these. We can go ahead and find one that we like, and we'll just grab this one here. How to use a pipe wrench, a step-by-step guide. Click on generate, and it'll start generating the content. Now this will take just a few moments. Again, just like the content map, it can take a little bit. And it also depends on how much content you're generating, because I can actually go down and just click a bunch of these here. So if you want to get a bunch of them generating, you can go ahead and click them. And we are just going to wait now for some of these to generate and then take a look.